This is the Matebook X Pro, made by Huawei, a Chinese tech company surrounded by a lot of controversy right now, especially following the executive order from Trump banning Huawei from US communication networks. This has recently led companies like Google, Qualcomm, Broadcom, and Intel to cut ties with Huawei. I found myself personally caught up in all of this because the day after I ordered my Matebook X Pro from the online Microsoft Store, the listing on the Microsoft Store for these laptops mysteriously vanished. This raised a number of concerns for me considering I had just bought one the day before. But after a phone call to Microsoft and some extensive research, I decided to at least give this beautiful laptop a try and unbox it right. So, this is the box it comes in, and I know it's just a box, but personally I really like the look. Oh, one second, this is going to be satisfying. Oh yeah. Anyways, like I was saying, I personally like the look of it. The white and gold letter and logo accents is quite stunning and adds to the whole unboxing experience. Once you get into the box, one second, I almost got it. Need to use two hands. Yep, there it is. The first thing you see is the laptop itself covered in a thin plastic film, which is kind of surprising. On the protective sleeve, there's a nice little tab to pull the laptop out with. Then, you can easily remove the plastic sleeve by pulling on that same little tab. And then you just remove it like so. Revealing the Matebook in its glory. Oh, there we go. So, this is the Matebook X Pro in shameless space gray, as Huawei calls it. It's a lot smaller than I expected, but because of the thin bezels on its 13.9 3000 by 2000 multi-touch display, you don't lose out too much on screen real estate, which is nice. On both the right and left side of the chassis, the Matebook features upward-facing speakers, which I have heard and they sound great. Probably the best speakers I've heard on a laptop ever. Moving on to the keyboard, it's a full-size keyboard, nicely spaced and backlit with a travel depth of 1.2 millimeters. Not gaming level keyboard travel, but for the average consumer and buyer of this type of laptop, it is more than enough, and I personally find it to be a joy to type on. Also, between keys F6 and F7, there's a cute little camera button. I love it. Next, we have the big MacBook-like glass trackpad with window precision drivers. I like both the size and feel of this trackpad, and it has a nice click to it. Another cool feature, definitely one of my favorites, is the fingerprint reader embedded right into the power button. Both a quick and effective security feature that makes me wonder why everyone doesn't do this. The model I have here comes with a 1.8 GHz 8th Gen Intel i7 8550U quad-core processor with turbo boost up to 4.0 GHz. Whew, that is a mouthful. Now, let's take a look at the port options you get with the laptop. Oh, hello. You gonna help me out? Alright. So, on the left side, you get a Thunderbolt 3 port, a USB Type-C to charge the laptop, and a 3.5mm audio jack. On the right side of the laptop, you get a USB 3.0 port. I do wish they included an SD card slot, but that's what dongles are for, am I right? Flipping the laptop over, there are a few stickers on the bottom which point to this laptop featuring NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 with 2GB of GDDR5 RAM. The i7 model also comes with 16GB of DDR3 RAM and a 512GB SSD. This is all running on the Windows Signature Edition operating system, which basically means less bloatware, and that's always nice. Finally, let's hop back into the box, in which you will find two smaller boxes. Let's start with the box on the left. Got it. Alright, and let's see what's inside here. Oh, okay. And what else? Oh yeah, a paper manual. No one really cares about that. So moving on, there is a USB-C cord for charging the laptop. And kindly, Huawei, unlike some companies, cough cough, Apple, includes a dedicated USB hub. This hub features a USB Type-C pass-through, a VGA port, HDMI interface, and on the back another USB-A port. So good on you, Huawei, that's pretty awesome you include that. And in the box on the right, you get a 65 watt USB-C charging brick to go along with the included USB-C cord, as you can see here with this demonstration. Alrighty then. I wanted to do a final sweep of the box, making sure I didn't miss anything. So let's see what's under here. Yep, it doesn't look like anything is left, so that is everything you get with the 2018 Matebook X Pro. So now, I would love to hear your thoughts and your opinions about Huawei, about the recent ban that has occurred, about this laptop in particular. Maybe you own one, maybe you are looking into buying one. Are you still going to buy one despite the ban? Let me know in the comments below. I am very interested to see what you guys have to share. If you like this video, show me some love, hit that like button. My goal is 15 likes for this video. I think we can do it, fam. If you didn't like this video, I guess that's why they also included a dislike button, but I'd rather you didn't hit that one. I also quickly want to say that this whole video was actually edited on the Matebook X Pro, and it worked like a dream. I used 1080p footage. I heard this laptop isn't really made for 4K footage rendering, but it worked like a dream for me with the 1080p. I definitely, so far, don't regret this purchase at all. It looks, feels, and works like a premium grade laptop, and I have really been enjoying my time with it so far. So yeah, that is my unboxing video slash ban coverage video slash initial reaction video to the Matebook X Pro. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later. Bye.